Your EVS teacher is back with one video. Okay, so today we are going to learn our lesson number 3. Water, oh water, means pani, oh pani. Learn. So lines are like, don't waste water, water is precious. Water is life, water is precious. Tip, 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 oh waterfalls, overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. So, what does these lines mean? These lines means that we should not waste water at all. Water is so precious. What is the meaning of precious? Precious means greater value. Okay, the thing which is having the great value is called precious. Okay, so water kitna precious hai, right? Water is so precious for us. Now, water is life, water is precious. Okay, without water we cannot live. There is no life without water. Okay, so water is life. Okay, now tip, 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 oh waterfalls. Now listen, whenever the water drops are falling down, what it sound? Tip, tip, tip. Okay, so what the water sounds? Tip, tip, tip. Now next is overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay, so whenever water falls and like rain comes, the rivers, lakes and ponds were overflown. Now what is overflowing? So let me give you one example. If you are having one glass and you are falling the water in it, okay, you are filling the water in it, one time it will be full, है ना? But after becoming the full, if again you started pouring the water in that, what will happen? The water will come out. Okay, so that coming out of water is called overflowing. So whenever there is much rain, बहुत सारा rain होता है, what will happen? The water of lakes, rivers and ponds will flow up, है ना? Overflow हो जाता है, बाहर आ जाता है. Okay, so when there is rain, the rivers, lakes and ponds overflow. Now, so two questions are there, like what is the sound of water? That is tip, 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 है ना? And what are the sources of water? So what do you mean by sources? The place from where we get the water. Okay, so the places are rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans. Got everyone? Now we are moving to second paragraph. So our next paragraph is having lines like this. Okay, so what the line says? Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Taking from form of icebergs on the hilltops, boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. Keeping singing the song of spring. Water is life, water is precious. Okay, so what these lines are meaning? Okay, so what first line was? The waves of ocean. So have you seen the ocean? Ocean having waves, right? So ocean's waves कैसे gallop like a horse. Now you have seen the horse. Horse is running so fast, right? So what is the meaning of gallop? Gallop means to move quickly. Okay, to run fast. So जब भी ओशन में वेव्स आते हैं तो वो कैसे मूव करते हैं? क्विकली. ओके, सो gallop like a horse means oceans having waves which move so quickly like a horse. Okay, now don't waste water. Water is precious, as we all know that we should not waste water, right? Water is so much precious for us. Okay, now taking form of icebergs on the hilltop. Now you listen. Taking यानी लेना. Form means there are three forms of water. There are three forms of water. One is solid, second is liquid and third is gas. So what is the solid form of water? Ice. What is the liquid form of water? Water. And the gaseous form of water is vapor. Okay, so next line is heat it, boil it, turns into water. Now listen everyone, once you are having the icebergs on hand and if you are going to heat it, ठीक है, अगर आप उसको गर्म करोगे तो what will happen? It will convert into water. ठीक है, फिर भी अगर आप उसको और हीट करोगे तो क्या होगा? It will convert into vapor. What is vapor? Steam. Okay, जिसको हम धुआं भी बोलते हैं ना, that. Okay, keeping singing song of the spring. Now listen, what is the spring? Spring is the season where new leaves grow on the tree. Okay, what is the spring? Spring is the season when new leaves grow on the trees. Okay, so ऐसे जैसे when rain will start, जब spring season आता है, so everyone is singing the song that new life begins, right? नई लाइफ बिगिन होती है, स्टार्ट होती है, न्यू लीव्स ग्रो होते हैं. ओके, द एटमोस्फेयर इज होल चेंजिंग. फाइन, सो डोंट वेस्ट वाटर. वाटर इज प्रेशियस. वाटर इज लाइफ. वाटर इज प्रेशियस. सो वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट वाटर एंड वी शुड कंजर्व वाटर. हमको वाटर को सेव करना है. ओके, सो सेव वाटर, सेव लाइफ. नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन द थर्ड पैराग्राफ. ओके, सो अवर थर्ड पैराग्राफ लाइन्स आर लाइक दीज. विच आर द लाइन्स? सी, giving life to crops, plants and trees, running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. Water is life, water is precious. Okay, so our third paragraph is saying that giving life to crops. You know ना, farmers जब भी farms में crops grow करते हैं तो they are praying for the rain, है ना. वो God से pray करते कि God please give us rain so that our crops will get the life, है ना. crops में जान आ जाएगी. Okay, so what does water do? Water gives life to crops, plants and trees. Okay, then drink water and water will run in our body, है ना. run in our body and nourishing animals and plants. You know, nourishment is means giving the nutrients, minerals, vitamins. So water is also having minerals and vitamins. Okay, so what does water do? Water gives us nourishment. Water nourishes plants, animals and humans. ठीक है, तो मैम will ask you, okay, that water gives what? Minerals and vitamins. Okay, now water is life, water is precious. So that is the line we are rhyming from very beginning, right? What does means? Don't waste water. Water is precious. Water is life. Water is precious. Okay, so now we are going to explain paragraph. Our paragraph number 4 lines are like this. Okay, so ma'am is going to read one by one the lines. Okay, so you have to stay at screen. Okay, so what is that? During drought there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. During floods there is threat and fright. Well, tap and hand pump filled with water. Water is life, water is precious. Okay, so now what does these lines means? That during drought, what is drought? Drought is the situation when there is less rainfall, बहुत कम बारिश होती है, so land becomes so dry. Okay, so ma'am will show you the picture. This picture is of drought. Okay, so when there is a drought, people are in stress, सबको टेंशन हो जाती है. Okay, life seems to be in pain, मतलब फार्मर्स आर इन पेन, है ना. अगर रेनफॉल नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, दे विल नॉट ग्रो द क्रॉप. इफ क्रॉप्स वुड नॉट बी देयर वुड बी नो फूड. ओके, सो लाइफ सीम्स टू बी इन पेन. सबको बहुत पेन होगा. फिर व्हाट विल हैपन, नेक्स्ट लाइन इज during floods. Now what is flood? So when there is overflowing of river, it is called flood. ओके, तो जब फ्लड आता है तो क्या होता है, एवरीवन विल बी फ्राइट एंड स्कैर्ड, है ना. सबको बहुत डर लगता है. दैट इट मे हैपन दैट वाटर टेक्स एवरीथिंग ऑफ योर हाउस, है ना. व्हेन देयर इज फ्लड, सब चीज का क्या डर रहता है कि वो अपने साथ हमारे घर का सामान भी ले जा सकता है. इवन ह्यूमन आर ऑल्सो ड्राउनिंग इन दैट, डूब जाते हैं, है ना, फ्लड में. सो फ्लड इज सो स्कैरी. Okay, now next is a well, a tap, a hand pump is filled with water. Now listen, at home we are having taps, है ना, घर पे नल होता है. We are keeping on the tap and we got water, right? Same way in villages what will be found, a hand pump. Okay, this is the hand pump. Okay, so this hand pump and tap both are filled with water. That means once you have kept on, this will give you the water. Okay, but these are not sources of water. Okay, these are the ways from where we get the water. These are not sources of water are rivers, lakes, ponds, sea and ocean, and the main source of water is rain. Okay, and the last line is water is life, water is precious. So this way water is so precious for us. Okay, so till then I have completed my lesson number 3 here. The explanation is completed. We will meet in next meeting. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Okay, we will meet in next video. Bye everyone.